In this tutorial I would like to start with some basic perspectives, how to set up an interior, and therefore we just start with some simple top views. I always like to start with a top view as it's just the easiest way to get ideas with. So what I'm gonna do is just sketching the outline of the car, or the inner part of the car, which is part of a, let's say, big circle or a bit oval, some kind of bathtub, what they always say. So just focus on this front part, and there you can put your dashboard in with some screen. And you put a steering wheel on the driver's side, and that's actually the basic already. So this is the driver's line, this is the center line, and there you already have different some kind of design languages that you can follow. Either you want to have a more driver focused interior, so then you're gonna build around this line, or if it's more center oriented, you're gonna focus on the middle line. So there you have different versions of middle consoles. So this would be center oriented with some air vents left and right. You could also say that you bring something down towards the driver in here. So it's more a driver-oriented design language, and this is just some basic lines that you can focus on, and this way you can get easily a quick result what you want to work on. And you can just outline the main themes that you're gonna follow on, and bring this into a new sketch where you really think about the details and the design itself. So yeah, that's basically the main start of each interior, I would say.